Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Darnisha and this is my DIY projects on my Midwest Love YouTube channel. And this is how my bathroom looked at before, and let's just say it's been a journey. So I started out taking off the racks, and then I was like, most of well, not most of the things, but like these racks that I'm taking down, I did keep. Okay, let me just say that. I don't know why I overthink these voiceovers. It's not that deep. Let's just talk and explain of what I'm doing. So I'm cleaning out the tub, and then I was just continuing taking out like more racks all around brackets. So like the little, towel racks or whatever we call these things in the bathroom. But with the bathroom, at first I was going for like this cement look. I was going for like a Zenful spa look. It was like really, really cute. Really giving like I'm in Greece somewhere. Or I'm inside of a temple, like a spa room. I was going for like that tech. I knew I wanted a texture wall. So I started off with the cement. And I was like, this would be really cute. I seen some examples. If you don't know how cement walls look in a bathroom, it looks really, really cute. So I just start cleaning down, and I take out the vanity mirror in the bathroom. So it's like a medicine mirror. It was really like on here. And it was my first time taking all of this down. But my little strong butt, I could do what I can spirit. I definitely got it off. It was tough, but I did it. New vanity is coming tomorrow. I had to take the mirror down, clean that. I have to get that. I don't even know what. Anyway, but this is the cement wall. I cannot make this up. I literally just looked at the clock, and it is literally 4:44. But this is the cement wall look that I'm going for, and I'm just gonna create my outline, and I'm just gonna put it all around this wall here. And this mirror, look at my cat's handprints. Oh my god. Now I'm creeped out. Do y'all see this? What is going on? Yeah, what? And it's Halloween. But this is gonna be my bathroom vanity. And I'm going to decide once I get my vanity tomorrow if I'm gonna keep that vanity. Okay, so I'm putting on more cement, and I did like how the outcome came once everything was dried. And I was like, okay, I like it. But for some reason, I didn't like it. So I scraped it all off. And then I started using like joint compound, and I was just putting over the tile wall. Because keep in mind, I do want a texture wall, but I feel like the cement wall, I don't know. I just went with another direction. So now I took all of that off. My vanity is here. It's so pretty. I didn't expect it to be that big. I looked up on this vanity. And I'm going to spray paint my doorknob handles. And I'm not even going to take them off because I'm lazy. I'm lazy. And I'm not going to take it off. I'm just going to poke a hole. Just like that. Take it over there. And spray in the inside like that. So I'm going to take my spray bottle. Oh, that looks good. So now I'm like, okay, gold. I'm adding gold, black, and white. I don't think I was lazy. I was just trying to think smarter and harder, and I spray painted the knobs gold instead of taking it off. So I have the texture wall that I'm going for. So the black, gold, and white. And this is a snippet of my kitchen. I painted the frame, the trim. And that's the vanity. And I'm actually liking the wall. Like everything is coming together. But as I'm looking at it now, I don't know. It's like, it's so many ideas that you can do with a bathroom. And it's just, I'm confident and I'm settling on this one here because it was coming along. It was like really, really cute and therapeutic. There were many like wallpaper that had this type of idea because I seen pictures, and even when I went to a church, and I haven't been to church in years, and I was like, okay, and I seen a painting and they had some portraits that was similar to this, and I was like, yes, that's confirmation, and I'm liking it. It's coming together. One thing about me, I don't even know if I was leaving out. I think I was leaving out, and I'm like, let me just finish. One thing about these home projects, it got me in a chokehold. Like, I'm really, 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 like, excited. I barely could leave the house because I be like, ooh, I want to finish this. I know I want like a few wiggly black lines, but I really wanted that texture to go straight up and down, up and down, up and down, like in lines. This is actually the look that I'm actually going for, this texture look. So right now I am installed. I really couldn't believe that I installed my bathroom vanity. I was so nervous because I'm like, hopefully nothing like busts out on me. But I was like, ooh, I'ma try. It looks scary. It was creepy. So now I moved on and I started painting the towel. I don't know. Trust me, I don't know what I am doing, but I am doing it. And this is towel paint. And I'm just priming it. Hey, from my understanding, I was just going in the lines and then spreading it down from there. So really like priming that base paint, going over it, because it's been times where I'll have white paint on like a roller and I'll just go over and splat through. So this was yesterday, December the 6th, and I was like, let me just go in, finishing up painting the window frame, and I wanted to put up something to cover up the top half of the window in the bathroom. And at first I was like, I can get a curtain. Then I was like, no, that's not gonna look right. I did spray paint gold up there, and I'm like, let me cover this up because that don't look right. I do want to put like art up on the wall too above that, but that is the blind that I have. So I'm like, I'm gonna just go ahead and put a blind up. And I'm taking these brackets down. So there was a brown blinds that was up when I was doing the cleanup, and I was like, no, I gotta take it down. So this is how it looked, all painted up. It still have to be painted over by a professional. Okay, so now I'm taking a break from doing my bathroom, and I just have to run a few errands. I need to drop off some paperwork, and then I also need to go to the store. And then once I go back, I'm gonna just finish off the bathroom. I'm going to, oh, I hope he brought that drill. Oh, this is perfect. Hopefully it don't flat back on me. But I really, 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 really cannot wait till my tub is painted. It's gonna open up that space. It's gonna brighten up that bathroom. It's gonna look so good. Now, don't get me wrong, the color that the bathtub was, the color, it was cute. You know, like, okay. So really with my home remodel, I just wanted to do it on a budget because it's like it's so much other big stuff that needs to be handled. So if I could budget and keen out and do how some of y'all landlords be doing, paint that shit. Then I got my new roller because my other old roller dried out, and it was just so much going on. Like I just got that hibernated energy. Like I just been so restful, but now I'm inspired, but now I feel good, but now I got my energy, I got my power. Once the once the kitchen is painted up, then I will be able to get my measurements and pick out, really get my cabinets.